How to make iPhone louder. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down the page and tap on Sounds and Haptics to access audio options. Scroll down until you find and tap on Headphone Safety under the Headphones section. Disable the Reduce Loud Audio toggle. For another boost, return to the main Settings menu. Scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, scroll down to the list of installed apps and tap on Music. In the Music settings, scroll down to the Audio section and tap on EQ. You will see a list of different audio presets. Tap on Loudness to select it. A checkmark will confirm your selection, and the new setting will be applied to all music played through the app. Lastly, press the side button to turn the ringer volume all the way up. Following these steps, you can easily make the iPhone louder.